Time frames are set periods of times that you want your phone system to follow. This could include scenarios such as business hours, after hours, and holidays. This video will explain how to set up time frames for your inbound call routing. To create a new time frame for inbound calls to follow, log into the PrimeCall portal for managers and select time frames from the navigation buttons. Within time frames, you will see any time frames that have been created by individual users, as well as the name of your domain. Click on your domain name. Click Add Time Frame on the upper right side of the screen. Give your time frame a name. Common examples of names would include business hours, after hours, and holidays. Please note that the name cannot be changed unless you delete it. Select when you would like this time frame to take place. You are presented with 5 options. The first option is always. This makes this time frame always in effect. This serves as a catch-all when no other option applies. Common uses of this kind of time frame include unexpected office closures. Select Save to complete your new time frame. Days of the week and time makes a weekly schedule, such as business hours and after hours. Name the time frame and select Days of the week. Select the Days of the Week tab and select the days that you would like to include in the time frame. In each day, select the hours you want the time frame applied to. The drop-down arrow allows you to set in every week recurrence or customize it to pick a specific schedule. Select Save to save your time frame. Specific dates makes the time frame only in effect during a specific date range and time, such as an office closure, with the option for recurrence. Name the time frame and select specific dates. Select Next or select the Specific Dates tab. Enter the date or dates and time you want to add to the time frame, and select the plus button to add it to the time frame. Repeat the process to add any additional days. Select the drop-down menu next to Recurrence to customize when this will reoccur if needed. Select Save to complete the time frame. Holidays allows you to select from national and international holidays, and make them reoccur each year. Name the time frame and select Holidays. Search for or click in the Search Holidays box to show all United States holidays. Select the holiday or holidays and times you would like to make this time frame cover. This can be the entire day or just during normal business hours. To make these recur annually, select the Recurrence drop-down menu and select Yearly on selected holiday. Select Next. Set observation rules for when holidays occur on certain days, such as when a holiday falls on a weekend. Select Save to finish the time frame. The custom time frame creates a time frame that combines days of the week, specific dates and holidays altogether. Name your time frame and select Custom and save. Select Add to add a time frame for days of the week, specific dates and/or holidays. Once you have made your selections, select Back to return to the time frames. You can return to this section anytime you would like to edit your existing time frames, or create a new time frame. To enable your new time frame in your company's call flow, you will need to associate it with a phone number in the inventory section of the portal. Select the Inventory button at the top of your screen and the navigation buttons. Select the number you would like to associate the time frame with. This will open a new dialog box. Switch the Enable time frames to Yes. To add the new time frames to your phone number, select the drop-down arrow to add a new rule. Select the new time frame and click the green plus icon. Repeat this step for any additional time frames you have created. For each time frame, use the treatment drop-down menu for each time frame to choose either a user, a call queue, voicemail, auto attendant, PSTN number, or fax server. After you choose the treatment, select the destination such as a specific user, auto attendant, call queue, etc. When arranging your time frames, make sure your holiday time frame and specific date time frames are at the top of your list, and your default is at the bottom. When a call comes in, it will start at the top of the list and work down to find an applicable time. If holiday is under business hours, it will follow the business hours time frame, even if it is a holiday. Holidays and specific dates are the exception to your call flow rules. If you have a time frame that you only need enabled during unexpected times, such as the unexpected closures time frame that we have added, move the unexpected closures time frame under the default, where it will not be triggered. When you need to enable it, simply drag it to the top of the list and select Save. When you no longer want it to be enabled, drag it back under the default time frame. Select Save to enable all time frames and their selected treat.